How do I maintain a general ledger for accurate business accounting? Imagine trying to keep track of every dollar your business earns and spends without a clear system. It would be like trying to find a needle in a haystack. That's where a general ledger comes in. It's the main record that keeps all your financial information organized and accessible. Maintaining it properly helps you stay compliant with laws and makes tax time much easier. First, you need to record each transaction as soon as it happens. Whether you pay a bill, receive income, or buy supplies, write it down with the date, the accounts involved, the amount, and a short note. This way, nothing gets forgotten or entered incorrectly. Always post these entries to the right accounts in your ledger, like expenses, income, or assets. Next, organize your ledger into clear categories. For example, assets include things like cash or equipment. Liabilities are what you owe, like loans or unpaid bills. Equity shows the owner's share of the business. Revenue is the money coming in, and expenses are what you spend. Keeping these groups separate makes it easier to see how your business is doing financially. Reconciling your ledger regularly is very important. Compare your ledger balances with your bank statements, invoices, and receipts. Doing this each month helps catch errors early. For example, if your bank shows a deposit that isn't in your ledger, you can fix it right away. This process keeps your records accurate and trustworthy. Adjustments are sometimes needed after initial entries. For example, if you pay for a service in advance, you might need to record it as a prepaid expense and then adjust it over time. Making these corrections ensures your financial reports reflected the true state of your business at any given moment. Using accounting software can make all this easier. It automates many tasks, posts transactions correctly, and provides real-time reports. This reduces mistakes and saves time. Plus, most software keeps a record of every change, which is helpful during audits or tax reviews. Creating clear procedures for handling financial transactions is also key. Write down how your team records and reviews transactions. Having more than one person involved in these processes helps prevent mistakes or fraud. It's a simple way to protect your business's financial health. Finally, generate a trial balance regularly. This report lists all your accounts with their debit and credit balances. When the total debits equal the total credits, your ledger is balanced and accurate. If they don't match, you know there's an error to fix. For families managing small businesses or insurance finances, keeping a detailed general ledger helps with budgeting and tax deductions. Tracking expenses like health insurance premiums, life insurance payments, or car insurance costs makes it easier to plan and report. Accurate records also help when filing insurance claims or applying for financial aid. In short, maintaining a general ledger means recording transactions promptly, organizing accounts clearly, reconciling often, and reviewing regularly. Using good tools and procedures makes this process smoother. When done correctly, it keeps your business's financial picture clear, helps you stay legal, and makes tax time less stressful.